Entering the Vietnam market is an attractive move for many foreign investors. But the process is rarely as straightforward as it appears. Regulations, licensing conditions, and practical requirements can vary significantly depending on your industry and business model. This is why working with a law firm in Vietnam is not just helpful. It is often essential. The first step when working with a law firm in Vietnam is an initial consultation. This is where you present your business idea, investment goals, and expected timeline. A qualified law firm will assess whether your business sector is open to foreign investment. They will also identify any foreign ownership restrictions in Vietnam. More importantly, they will begin shaping a strategy that aligns your commercial goals with legal requirements. Once your objectives are clear, the next step is choosing the right investment structure. This could be a 100% foreign-owned company, a joint venture, or another legally recognized model. Each structure comes with different implications: ownership control, licensing complexity, capital requirements. A law firm helps you evaluate these factors to avoid structural risks from the beginning. Before submitting any application, a thorough legal review is essential. This includes verifying business lines, checking regulatory conditions, and preparing required documentation. In some cases, it may involve due diligence on local partners or market entry conditions. This step is critical because errors here can lead to application rejection or long delays. The formal process of company registration in Vietnam typically involves two key stages. First, obtaining the investment registration certificate. Second, securing the enterprise registration certificate. While the process is defined under Vietnam law, execution requires careful coordination with authorities. A law firm ensures that your application is accurate, complete, and strategically positioned for approval. For many industries, company registration alone is not enough. Additional business licenses in Vietnam may be required before operations can begin. These could include trading licenses, sector-specific permits, or operational approvals. Identifying these early is critical. A law firm will map out all licensing requirements to ensure your business is legally operational from day one. After your company is established, the next phase is operational setup. This includes tax registration, opening bank accounts, and establishing accounting systems. Labor compliance is also a key requirement. Employment contracts, internal labor regulations, work permits for foreign employees in Vietnam. These are not optional, they are essential for maintaining legal compliance. Beyond regulatory compliance, protecting your business requires strong legal documentation. A law firm will assist in drafting and reviewing contracts that govern your operations. Shareholder agreements, joint venture agreements, commercial contracts, non-disclosure agreements and non-compete agreements. These documents must be tailored to Vietnam law to ensure enforceability and risk protection. Entering the market is only the beginning. Vietnam's regulatory environment continues to evolve. Businesses must adapt to changes in law, compliance requirements, and operational practices. Working with a law firm provides ongoing support, from regulatory updates to corporate restructuring and expansion strategies. This ensures your business remains compliant and competitive. Many foreign investors make the mistake of engaging legal support too late. They proceed with incomplete information, choose the wrong structure, or overlook licensing requirements. These mistakes can result in delays, penalties, or even loss of control over the business. Working with a law firm from the beginning helps prevent these issues. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors through every stage of entering the Vietnam market. From initial strategy to company formation, from licensing to compliance, from contract drafting to long-term legal support. We focus on aligning legal structure with business objectives, so you can operate with clarity, confidence, and control. Vietnam offers significant opportunities for foreign investors. But success depends on how you approach the market. With the right legal partner, you can navigate complexity and build a strong, compliant foundation. Visit lts.com.vn to learn how LTS law can support your expansion into Vietnam.